Hello guys, today I will show you the AutoCAD how to delete faster way this all the items. It means I want to delete this hatch inside the hatch in all the hatches. Then I will use this command, select this hatch and type LAYISO, LAYISO, enter. Then you can see this only the layer I can see. Some of the AutoCAD they will off all the layer and only this layer can be visible. Now you can just select and delete. See all the hatches is gone. And now this one you cannot delete. You need to undo. You need to go back, lay and ISO. Lay and ISO. Then now you can do anything. You can delete this one. Okay. Okay, I will show you one more time. This one. Okay, you can select this command, which line you want to delete, or you need to modify something. Sometimes you want to change the layer. Then you just select this one, this line with a particular line and type lay ISO. Now this all is one. If you select and I change, maybe you can see all layer is locked. Maybe I make it different color or something like that. Anything I can do. Simply I just delete. This is the lay. Sorry, lay and ISO. All on. The layer is on. You can see here all is on, open already. I think you guys can understand this one. I hope you guys understand this one. Thank you very much.